Good morning everyone. My name is Mukesh Kumar. I am from Samastipur district of Bihar, which is famous for Dr. Rajendra Prasad Agriculture University, Pusa. In my family, there are 4 members. My father is a farmer and my mother is a housemaker. I completed the intermediate in 2018 from SRJ SA College, Samastipur. At present, I am pursuing graduation 3rd year from LMNU. Outdoor game like playing cricket and riding vehicle is my hobby. My ambition is to join Indian Air Force because I like Indian Air Force discipline life and its adventurous life. Now come to our GD topic. Our GD topic is Beti Bachao Beti Padhao scheme. Beti Bachao Beti Padhao scheme is a good initiative by Indian government. It is started by our Prime Minister Narendra Modi on 22nd July 2015. Beti Bachao Beti Padhao scheme. Its aim as women empowerment. Its aim decreasing female feticide and girls education. A lot. Thanks.
Good morning, friends. My name is Prashant Kumar. I am from Rohtas district in Bihar, which is famous for Sarsaswari Museum. I have completed 12th in 2015. I have completed 12th in 2017. Now I am pursuing graduation BSc part 3rd. There are 4 members in my family. My father name is Dhankumar Kumar Singh. He is a farmer. I believe in hard work and like adventure work. My hobbies are playing cricket and read a book. I want to join in Air Force because it's been my dream, and I am very excited to see discipline of airmen and serve our nation. Let's come on topic. Today's my topic: Beti Bachao Beti Padhao. Beti Bachao Beti Padhao. This campaign is good thinking in our society, and this campaign is started by Government of India, our Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji on 22 January in 2015. This campaign is mainly purpose is girls and women provided the status. That's all.
Jai Hind, my dear friends. I am Chandan Kumar. I am from Sitamarhi, which place is famous for the birth of goddess Sita. I have completed 10 plus 2 in 2018. Now I am pursuing BSc Math from Patliputra University. There are 6 members in my family. My father, Mr. Raj Nanmadu, is a farmer. My mother, Ms. Rekha Devi, is a homemaker. We are 3 siblings. I believe in hard work with a smile on my face. My hobbies are listening music and playing outdoor like cricket. I want to join Indian Air Force because Indian Air Force has been dream of my life since childhood to accomplish this service. This as well as serve the nation. And come to the GD topic. Beti Bachao Beti Padhao. Beti Padhao Beti Bachao Beti Padhao is initiative taken by our government, by our Prime Minister Narendra Modi on 22 January 2015 at Haryana. According to 2011 survey population, India has sex ratio 943 women per 100 per 1000 men. Beti Padhao is a giving absurd priority of education women and girl. It is very best status by our government. That's all. Thank you.
Good morning to all of you. My name is Jitendra Kumar Singh. I am from Chhapra, Bihar. There are 5 members in my family. My father's name is Parameswar Singh. He is a farmer, and my mother's name is Tara Devi. She is a homemaker. I completed 12th in 2019. Now I am pursuing BSc first year from JP University. I believe in hard working and like adventure work. My hobbies are playing cricket. I want to join Indian Air Force and give my best to our nation, especially see its dress. I get filled with josh, strength, country and sprint. Now I am going to discuss about our topic, Beti Bachao Beti Padhao. Beti Bachao Beti Padhao is an initiative started by the Government of India. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has 22 March in 2019. India has sex ratio 943 women per 1000 men. That's all. Thanks.
Hello friends, Jai Hind all of you. My name is Sanjay Singh. I am from Siwan, Bihar, which is famous for our first president, Dr. Rajendra Prasad. I have completed my intermediate in 2017 from CBSE board. Right now I am pursuing BA Part 2 from DDU Gorakhpur. My hobby is to play outdoor game and reading newspaper. My father is my ideal person. I want to join Indian Force because my father always inspired me to join Indian Air Force. My 70% is Agni Chaturvedi. When I see her image in aircraft, then that inspire me always. That's all. Now today topic is Beti Padhao, Beti Bachao Andolan. It was established by our Indian government in 22nd January 2015. It was established due to our sex ratio decreases day by day, and the society of our Indian government, the society of our country, the people always think about Beti is not good for our nation, and they feudicide after. They feudicide before delivery. That's all.
Jai Hind, good morning to all of you. This is the golden opportunity to introduce myself in front of you. I am Papu Kumar. I am from Bhojpur district in Bihar. I have completed intermediate in BSCB board in 2018. Now I am pursuing BSc second year Jan College in Bihar, Jan College Tara district in Bihar. There are 4 members in my family. My strength and hard working and positive thinking. My hobbies are listening music and playing cricket. I want to join Indian Air Force. It's my dream and serve our nation. This is all about me. Now I am come to the topic Beti Bachao and Beti Padhao. Beti Bachao and Beti Padhao initiated our Prime Minister Narendra Modi is 22 January 2015 and our India sex ratio is 943 women 1000 per men, and Beti Padhao is important education for one child.
Jai Hind to all of you. My name is Gujal Patel. My father's name is Murali Singh, who is a farmer. If I talk about my qualification, I have completed my 12th class in 2017 and now I am pursuing BSc in Mathematics from Bir University, Ara, Bihar. My name is Gujal Patel. I come from Bagua, Bihar, which is situated in the lap of beautiful Kaimur Hills. My father's name is Murali Singh, who is a farmer. If talk about my qualification, I have completed my 12th class in 2017 and now I am pursuing BSc in Mathematics from Bir University, Ara. My hobby is playing cricket and solving the magic. My strength is my amiable and cooperative nature. I believe in hard working. I like adventurous work. And come to my aim is to become the part of Air Force. I've been dream of my life in childhood to accomplish the dream as well to serve the nation. So I want to join Indian Air Force. And come to my GD topic. GD topic is given to me Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao. You know, friend, Beti Padhao, Beti Bachao movement is started by the government under the leadership of Narendra Modi on 22nd January 2015. It is the main motto of the promote the women empowerment and also provide the women's status and girls. That's all. Thank you.
Good morning to all. I am Rahul Kumar from Nalanda district, which is famous for the studying center since the ancient time, and it's all at present is also famous for the glass bridge. My hobby is writing poetry and watching movies. My father name is Shravan Kumar. He is a small businessman. As far as my qualification, I have completed 10+2 and currently I am pursuing BSc in physics from the Patliputra University. My hobby is I want to join the Indian Air Force because it's been my dream and it's also the easiest way to serve the nation directly. Now let's come to the topic. Our topic is Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao. First of all, I want to define the Beti Bachao and Beti Padhao. Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao is an initiative started by the Indian government on 26 January 2015, and in this initiative, government is empowering women to educate herself, and it's also, as we know, in our country there is a vast difference in the sex ratio of 56 girls in 1,000 men. And in this initiative, government is decreasing the fertilicides and decreasing the death of premature babies.
Good morning to my dear friends. My name is Pintu Kumar Gupta. I am from Chapra of Bihar. My father name is Lakhi Chandra Gupta and my mother name is Vinita Devi. I complete 10+2 in 2019 from SDS College Chapra. At present, I am pursuing BSc first year from
JP University Chapra. My hobby are reading the newspaper and playing volleyball. I want to join Indian Air Force and give my best for our nation, especially to see its dress. I get filled with josh, strength and country spirit. And my incentive person is Amni Chaturvedi ma'am that encouraged me to join in Indian Air Force. Now come today our topic BBC Beti Bachao Beti Padhao Yojana. This scheme is very beneficial for our Indian government, and this scheme is launched by our Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi, and this scheme launched at 22 January 2015. And the main purpose of this scheme launched improve our Indian girls and women's education, and very beneficial proof our Indian society. That's all. Thanks.
Good morning to all my dear friends. My name is Vishal Kumar. I am from Chhapra. There are 6 members in my family. As far as my educational qualification, there are 6 members in my family. My hobbies are playing cricket and know all about the world. My strength is I am a good thinker. I want to join armed forces because it's my dream, and I love the discipline of the armed forces. It's all about me. Now let's move to the topic. Our today topic is Beti Padhao Beti Bachao Andolan. It is initiated by the government of India under Prime Minister Narendra Modi at 22 January 2050. It is a good initiative. It's aimed to improve the women empowerment and increase the sex ratio. Because 2011 census there are 943 girl at 1,000 boy. So it is important to increase the girl, and we know that when man educated, man develop. But when girl educated, whole the generation develop. That's all. Thank you.
Good morning, all my dear friends. My name is Ravi Kumar. I am come from Nawada district, which is famous for Kakolat waterfalls. My father name is Manan Prasad. He is a farmer, and my mother name is Usha Devi. He is a housemaker. I completed 12th in 2017 from the SB board. Now, at present, I am pursuing graduation from Magadh University. My hobbies are playing outdoor games and reading books. My ambition is to join the Indian Air Force and serve the navy, serve our nation, because it is the inspire me attractive dress and discipline in life. Now come on the topic Beti Padhao and Beti Bachao. Beti Padhao is the good step our the nation is started our Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi at Sonipat, Haryana. Because our nation's sex ratio per 1,000 Purush 1943 girls. This ambition is the increase our women empowerment and sex ratio and educate the girls. Thank you.
Good morning, my dear friends. My name is Neeraj. I am from Muzaffarpur, Bihar. My father's name is Mr. Manoj Kumar Pandey, and he is a farmer. My mother's name is Srimati Rinki Devi, and she is a housemaker. I have passed 10+2 examination from CBSE in 2017. I pursued my graduation from LS College, Muzaffarpur, Bihar. My hobby is playing cricket and teaching those children who are not able to pay any tuition fee. My aim is to become an airman and serve our nation. Now come to the GD topic. The GD topic is Beti Bachao Beti Padhao. Beti Bachao Beti Padhao is a good initiative taken by our Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi in 22nd March 2015. And its motto is women empowerment and educated our girl child, because our girl sex ratio is 943 per 1,000 men. If we educate our girls, we educate our whole generation, but we educate our people. Just like men, we educate only one person. So it is a good initiative to empowerment of men in police sector. Also GDP is in previous section ratio 6.8%, but in now section ratio 8.2% is also a good benefit in this scheme. So I also appreciate this scheme. Thank you.
Good morning, all friends. My name is Rahul Kumar. I am from Patna, Bihar, which is famous from born of Samrat Ashok. I completed intermediate 2019 and am doing BA Part 1 from Patliputra University. I believe in hard work and adventurous work. My hobbies are playing cricket and listening music. Now we want to join in the force and serve our nation, because it's my dream and also my father's dream. And I want to trust the sky with glory. Now I'm going to our topic. Our topic is Beti Bachao Beti Padhao. Beti Bachao Beti Padhao first launched by the 22 January 2015 in Haryana. Its main purpose of this scheme is the women empowerment and education for our girls, because our country sex ratio is very low rate, 943 per 1,000 women. Is not good for our country, because without women
not to increase for our country development. So thank you.
Nearly half of our population.
Due to the BVP campaign was started by mainly purpose of girls number of scarcity in our society day by day. Like 1943 per woman, 1943 women per 1,000 men.
Nearly half of our population is women. So without women progress, we cannot develop India. Earlier, men are supposed to leave home and earn for their families, and females are expected to live at home. They in society, our society, they are narrow-mindedness. So we should increase our education, girl education.
Friends in India, without women, not to increase for our development for our country, because women is the pillar for our country. Without women, not should be take the good work for, and so our Prime Minister is a good work for our country and launched to Beti Bachao Beti Padhao. It's the main purpose of Beti Bachao Beti Padhao is the increase for increase illiteracy for women and increase for women empowerment, because without women empowerment not to increase for our.
Yes, I agree with my friend. Beti Bachao Beti Padhao is a good initiative taken by our Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Its main motto is women empower. Firstly, women empowerment. Second, education of our child, and third is increasing the sex ratio of our girl child, because we know that in the previous data the sex ratio of our girl child is 943 per 1,000 men, but in the recent data in the recent data of census we know that 950 women per men. This is a good initiative taken by our government, Beti Bachao Beti Padhao. And the second thing is that education is most important for any of the children, just like men and women. Also our Prime Minister also said that if we educate our women, we educate our society, we educate our India, and also we developed our country. And third is that the women empowerment. Women empowerment is very good for any of the country, because in the development our infrastructure sector and other around the GDP and other of the economical sector. You know that friend, in the defense sector also women get the fighter fly the fighter plane. This is a very good initiative. All the initiative is taken by the Beti Bachao Beti Padhao.
I agree with my friend as he mentioned about the empowerment of the woman, and I want to add some point that you can imagine that in our locality, if any house a woman is working, then you can see the standard of their living. Their standard of living increases, their standard of living becomes in a good quality. And that's why I think that women should be educated, and if a woman get educated, then it's also benefit for our family, and it's also benefit for our coming generation also.
I agree with my friends say that women empowerment good. According to me, women empowerment good. After the taking this advantage of Beti Bachao Beti Andolan, we see the sex ratio are increases, and also many sectors there are women are increased. We see the example of police. They are before this initiative there are 6% of women in the police sector. After this initiative, 8.5% of the women. So women is important for our society and develop the country.
This is in my point of view, because in the eye of the world we are very bad we are very bad because the sex ratio decreases day by day. When our government has started this scheme, the sex ratio increases 0.6% and 950 per 1,000, and it is very important for our nation, because women is a very important. Women are the mirror of any nations. That's why I support.
This skill launched by our Indian government is the main purpose, and our Indian men taken beneficial step, and this scheme is main purpose improve education our Indian girls and women, because when without education don't improve our country, it is very beneficial for our country. In my point of view, friends, our people thinking for country, because we be different for women and men. So
it is not good for our country because Western countries' culture is not different for women and men. So Western countries to encourage for women, but our countries people not encourage for women. So it is not good for our country.
Yes, friends,
women in power with the good step our the government Beti Padhao and Bachao good step our the Prime Minister because our society is the understand that Beti is the burden our nation, but it is not a good thinking our the society because the girls are the important role the our nations and defense sector and the politics sector.
In my opinion, in our society, if women are educated, she can manage finance at home this time of inflation, and they educate their children and families and very well families, take care of very well families. So
Friends, my opinion is boys and girls are similar to everyone because our girls future of pillar our country.
Friends, our important role our the house.
Beti Bachao Beti Padhao step is a very good step for our government taken by the Prime Minister Narendra Modi. 22 March in 2015 at Haryana. It is very beneficial for our country. India has a sex ratio of 943 men per 1000 women.
As we noted in our society, we differentiate our Indian people by the sex ratio, not only the quality. We differentiate any of the girl. If you are a girl child, you do not do anything. If you are a boy child, you do all things. But now that scheme, Beti Bachao Beti Padhao, is a good initiative by our Prime Minister. Equality for all the children. If you are a man, if you are a woman in our society.
Yes, generally in rural area, our girls are uneducated. So government taken decision is very good because when we educated our girls, it's benefits to our society and country also. This is a very good initiative taken by our Prime Minister. That's all.
Yes,
I totally that the government are
we are defense for their education and we pay their when they are married, the girl we pay dowry system and girls is not safe in our country. It is very important for Beti Padhao Beti Padhao Andolan and our government.
I totally agree with my friend because very beneficial and when educated women, our Indian girls and women, then improve our country. Without education, don't improve our country. It's very important step taken by Indian government.
But at present, this Yojana is not so successful because these days they are in rural area. Mentality is the main problem to not improve our Beti because so many men are such that women are not the good for our society and he did not give me such our parents.
Yes,
last time
if the girl educated in the decrease the dowry system and educated system, if the girl educated in the decrease as I have mentioned about the development of the nation, girl and society from the dowry because the society
is got fish market friends.
Women empowerment and Beti Bachao Beti Padhao is the best pillar of our country and
Dear friends, any problems decision of firstly person because such as nothing my women's advise with any decision.
The main purpose of Beti Bachao Beti Padhao Yojana is like increasing women.
Yes, in conclusion, now come to the conclusion. If you educate our girl child, if you educate our girl child, we educate our Indian society. If we not educate our girl child, we do not progress our Indian society. And second thing is that sex ratio is also a matter. We work for the sex ratio to give our Indian country will be progress.
In last of all my conclusion, friends, one literated man can only serve our body. But one educated man serve the whole family. So without women literate, not too good for our society and not good for our family and not good for our country. So it's aware for our parents. Aware for our parents. Should
I agree with my friend because it is very important for each and every state. In Bihar state, the British government and also increases the empowerment in job and in education sector. They given the cycle yojana and midday meal also. It is very important for the Beti Padhao Beti Bachao. And the second thing is the ultrasound is also very important for the when the woman is pregnant and many village women think about criticize their child for pregnant. This is very important for us.
I totally disagree with my friend as he mentioned about the ultrasound. In ultrasound, we know the sex of the child, and that's why if we know the sex of the child, that's why fertilizers have increased in our nation. So our government try to decrease this type of problem. Yes, and that's why government.
I totally agree with you. Because our parents born for the child, born for the death for our child. I totally agree with you. I want to sum it point because very beneficial step and big.
Yes, I agree with my friend. Our government take a legal action and strict action to this kind of this kind of.
At this time, we have seen that impact of. At this time, we have seen the impact of Beti Bachao Beti Padhao scheme, and guns are free, and she can choose their career and she can choose their career. So it's education. It's initiative only goes to education. See, the education is very important in my opinion. Thanks.
At last, I want to conclude by saying that for a developed nation, women should be educated. And as we know, our India is a developing nation, and that's why we should encourage the women to educate themselves, and because she can manage home and as well she can manage the financial condition of the home. That's why I think that to educate women is the best thing to develop our nation. That's why.
Women are less than men. So our government is educate our girl in our economic sector also. It is a very good initiative. That's all.
Yes, my friend said that about the.
If woman is safe and woman is educated, then we are good in the eye of the world.
In my point of view, I supported the Beti Bachao Beti Padhao campaign, which is started by the Narendra Modi. It is the impact of Beti Bachao Beti Padhao is the very good. The participate of women in the development of country, and also it is good for our society. It is also promote the literacy rate of the women in the country. That's all.
At last, my conclusion in this topic: Beti Bachao Beti Padhao is very beneficial for our nation and very improve in future for our Indian society and women empowerment. Without education, not improve our country. That's all. Thanks.
Dear friends, my conclusion is good thing our country because good thing our country BBP because women live in our society if men live in our society and mother have to our society.
As my friend at last I conclude, if you see a developed country like India, so there are women are very important to develop this country. So when we educate the women, when we educate the women empowerment, so it is good for develop India.
I last conclude some point. Beti Bachao Beti Padhao is one prime minister started on is a good and without education and not develop our country, and Beti Bachao Beti Padhao is good.
I might conclude my point. That friend, India is a developing country. The developing country is the must provide the education to women and also men. I totally agree with the Beti Bachao Beti Padhao campaign.
Because without corporate women not to develop for our country.
Yeah,
At last conclude in my point of view, women educated is the important role our society and nation, because many steps our government provide. So our responsibility is we should taken by good step.